and gentlemen, it's time to start. We have our guest. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir, for coming to Kolkata iLead College. We all love you guys.
What's up, iLead?
Hey iLead, I love you. How are you all doing? Yeah, I really miss the original Jhalmudi and Puchka from here. Most importantly, the Mishti and the love of the people. They're both so sweet, yeah.
Each one of them has a different personality, and that's what's amazing. Khushali, I think we need to welcome her to the film industry.
क्या सोच रहे हो गर्ल? बोलो ना आप.
And of course, energy man, Mr. Apar Shakti here.
I love you, sir.
इंसाफ करने जा रहा हूँ.
किसके लिए?
बेकसूरों के लिए.
Once you don't take the pressure, you're completely in the character, then it flows. And yes, it was very challenging. It was not easy. And I would like to say that I like to take challenges and do things which are challenging.
Darshan is of course the most disciplined, straightforward, on set all the time and performing perfectly.
Sir, कभी college boy, कभी negative role, कभी supportive husband, अभी police officer. Versatility का राज क्या है? What's the masala to such versatility?
इस प्यार का भूखा हूँ मैं. इसी प्यार के लिए मेहनत करता हूँ. ये देखिए.
And of course.
Adi sir for his charm. He's forever charming.
आ जाओ. अंदर आ जाओ. फैसला है?
पूरे पैसे लेके आए. सांची तो ठीक है.
You bastard. हाँ, मार दो इसको. Just shoot him.
What is wrong with you यार?
Shut up. Just shoot him down.
मेरी बात मानो पागल है ये.
मैडी सर की आंखों में ना कुछ अलग बात है.
अब आया सॉन्ग.
दिल दी मैं की कहाँ हो या कमला जिया इश्का 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 बोले दिल तूने क्या किया कर बैठा प्यार हूँ धड़कन भी इश्का इश्का बोले.
Sir, I'm very big fan of Papa. Sir.
I love you, ma'am.
I think our professors, our teachers are more excited than the kids probably. No offense meant to the younger people, but Maddie sir.
ये सबसे यंग है हम में.
We teach mass comm. I teach mass comm.
मैम मैं क्या दोबारा से एनरोल हो सकता हूँ कॉलेज में?
जो ब्लश है ना उनके चेहरे.
Well, ma'am, I'm very sure your communication is on point.
I have for Maddie sir. So Maddie sir, so आपने यहाँ आपने South Indian movie film में काम किया. You have worked in the Hindi film industry also. So what do you want to tell the students who are pursuing acting, direction? So how should they go forward? And अगर अब्बा नहीं माने तो क्या बोले उन्हें?
मैंने तो प्रूव कर दिया कि फर्क पड़ता ही नहीं अगर अब्बा माने या ना माने. बस अपना काम करते जाओ. In today's world, there is the only one thing that is going to be your best friend for as long as you're involved in your professional life, and that is to keep on evolving as well as research. These two things, no matter what professional line you're in, which acting, direction, electronics, communications, IT, whatever you are, the moment you think you've achieved a certain level of success and you want to stagnate, game over. So the change of, the way you change, the way you act, the way you present yourself, you have to be aspirational to you guys, which is so tough.
My question is for Darshan sir. Sir, you have worked with different genre of films. How is this film is different from the other film you have worked in?
हर फिल्म की एक जर्नी होती है, हर कैरेक्टर की एक जर्नी होती है. एक्चुअली सस्पेंस थ्रिलर मेरा पसंदीदा मोस्ट फेवरेट जॉनर है. तो मुझे याद है जब मैंने पहली बार ये फिल्म की स्टोरी पढ़ी थी तो मैं पूरा दिन एज एन एक्टर भी और वैसे जब भी रीड करता हूँ स्टोरी तो एज ए ऑडियंस रीड करता हूँ. और जब मैं सारा दिन इस स्टोरी के बारे में सोचता रहा और रात को मैंने दोबारा इस स्क्रिप्ट को पढ़ा तो इस कहानी में इतने ही लेयर्स हैं. आपको हर 10 मिनट बाद कुछ ना कुछ सरप्राइजेस मिलते जाएंगे. तो ये ब्यूटी है इस फिल्म की, तो ये फिल्म बिल्कुल अलग है.
My question is, how was your experience to work in the movie with all the stars, especially with Maddie sir?
जितने भी लोग इस फिल्म से अटैच्ड हैं ना, you know, there is something to take away, you know, when you go back home you feel satisfied as an artist that आपको वो give and take मिला है, rather ज़्यादा मिला है, so that you can learn something from you know here, especially talking about Maddie sir, because you know, I mean, the kind of exposure he comes with, the kind of experience he comes with, the kind of films he has done. I think we all as an artist want to do films which he has done, you know. So I think वो कहीं ना कहीं वैसे ही बहुत ज़्यादा inspiring बात है.
How did you like the energy of the students of iLead? Everyone, for everyone, this for everyone, the entire crew.
I've been to many colleges. What I like about this particular institution, and I've had very little time to judge it, but I do find that amongst the guys and the girls and the professors, there's a lot of connection and attachment and homogeneousness.
Thank you so much.
Okay, one last question. What is that one message, one thing that has made you come so far, one quality that you feel that each and every student should imbibe here in the college for the formative years?
Obviously, in this institution, last is not meaning last at all. But I'm very happy to answer that question. Ma'am, I've realized, irrespective of your education or your academics, your ability to treat another human being as a human being. When you look at somebody, to look into their eyes, I'll give you a small example. When I entered the television industry, there was no marketing. There was no magazine or places where you could go and cast somebody if you liked somebody, right? So it was all hearsay. So when I went in, I got an opportunity to do my first series called Banegi Apni Baat. I used to sit, I never understood anybody in the film industry. So I used to sit with the boys who used to serve the tea and the chai because they were from Bihar, where I grew up. And I used to talk to them, कि बता यार कौन से गांव से है यार क्या चल रहा है. And then I started getting a lot of work. And I realized that I was getting a lot of work because these spot boys were going from set to set and saying, नहीं वो Maddie करके बंदा वो सही है यार वो उसको cast करो. And that's how, without any marketing tool, without any publicity, I used to get from Seahawks and eventually made my way. And I've realized over a period of time, the first mantra is,
Is that humility that you mean?
no, look into the person's eyes when you speak first. And second thing is, look beyond the obvious. That's the only mantra I give because of the prejudices that we are born in from the family training, from the way we are, depending on religion, socially, whatever it is. We come with a lot of prejudices that does not allow us to give importance to the person we are speaking. क्योंकि ये तो ऐसे ही होगा kind of assumption which actually puts you in the drain. I found lifelong friends with people who first I hated. And now they'll take a bullet for me. And I think even in success in your career or your life, I think will depend on how much smartness you have in looking beyond the obvious. That's the only mantra.
Awesome. Thank you so much.